Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Okay, yesterday we have read chapter number 2 food and health. Dear student, take out your book, page number 24. First we will revise yesterday work. What we have read yesterday about communicable diseases. Okay, and second topic, prevention of communicable disease. How can we prevent communicable disease from spreading? Okay, what do you mean by communicable disease? The disease that can spread from one person to another person is known as communicable diseases. Okay, then it can spread by different kind of germs like bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa. Okay. Now we have read in this topic about mode of transmission. Mode of transmission. What do you mean by mode of transmission? It means communicable diseases are spread from one person to another person through different ways, and these different ways are known as modes of transmission. In this topic we have covered 4 points. Okay, through air, through infected food and water, third, through direct contact, then last one through insect. Okay, these are known as mode of transmission. First one is through air, disease can transmit. Through infected food and water, disease can transmit. Then through direct contact, disease also can spread, and by through insect. Okay, now how can we prevent spreading of communicable disease? What we have to do? First you have to keep your surrounding clean. Means cleanliness is the best method of preventing of communicable disease from spreading. Keep yourself clean and your surrounding clean. Then second, allow sunlight and fresh air to enter in your house. Okay, you have to keep this point in your mind. Third one, we have read impure water is purified by water purifier or chlorination process, then by boiling milk. Okay, pasteurization method, then by boiling water, we can purify water, impure water. Okay, these are some prevention of communicable diseases. Dear student, take out your book, open page number 26. Book, page number 26. Today we will start our topic from vaccination. First we will read from the book, then I will explain. Vaccination is another way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. Many vaccines are available for different diseases. A vaccine is a biological preparation in small amount which provide active acquired immunity against diseases. This is injected into the body and the body cell produce substance that can destroy these weakened germs. The substance remain in the blood and guards the body against any future attack by the diseased germ. Then the body is said to have developed immunity against the diseases. So we must get ourselves vaccinated as protection against these diseases. So vaccination is the way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. Vaccination is the way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. Okay. Means vaccination is the way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. बेटा आप लोग कभी न्यूज़ में डेली सुनते हैं कि कोविड-19 का अभी तक वैक्सीन नहीं बना है ना? आप डेली न्यूज़ में आता है कि ये इस देश ने वैक्सीन बना ली है, इस देश ने वैक्सीन बना ली है, लेकिन अभी उसका कोई भी वैक्सीन तैयार नहीं हुआ है. अभी कोविड-19, ऑल ऑफ यू नो द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कोविड-19, कोरोना वायरस डिसीज, एंड इन विच ईयर 2019. सो अभी तक इस डिसीज का कोई भी वैक्सीन नहीं तैयार हुआ है. तो हमें कैसे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, कैसे हमारे को इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है, तो हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स ध्यान में रखना होगा. पहले तो यू हैव टू कवर योर फेस विथ मास्क. सेकेंड, यू हैव टू मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. ओके. जब तक मेडिसिन तैयार नहीं हो रही है, वैक्सीन तैयार नहीं हो रहा है इसका, जब तक आपको ये दो मेन पॉइंट को जो आपको ध्यान में रखना ही है, वियर मास्क, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, फॉलो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, वॉश योर हैंड इन एवरी आफ्टर 20 seconds. ओके. यूज सैनिटाइजर विच कंटेन 60% अल्कोहल. ओके. So underline this line in your book. Vaccination is the another way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against certain diseases. Now this immunity, अभी हम word immunity मतलब आपकी जो रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता है, कोई भी डिसीज से लड़ने की जो क्षमता है, उसको हम कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं ना? तो आपको बोला जाता है अभी हमें जो डाइट लेनी है वो विटामिन सी उसमें होना चाहिए, आपको गार्लिक खाना चाहिए, जिंजर खाना चाहिए, है ना? तो हम ये इम्यूनिटी अपनी इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं। A vaccine is a biological preparation in small amount which provide acquired immunity against diseases. This is injected into the body. अब वैक्सीन को क्या करते हैं, किसी के भी बॉडी में वैक्सीन इज इंजेक्टेड into the body and body cells produce substances that can destroy germs. Okay, means vaccine is injected into the body. वैक्सीन को इंजेक्ट किया जाएगा बॉडी में एंड बॉडी सेल प्रोड्यूसेस सब्सटेंसेस दैट कैन डिस्ट्रॉय जर्म्स. द सब्सटेंस रिमेन्स इन द ब्लड. जो सब्सटेंस है वो ब्लड में ही रहेगा एंड गार्ड द बॉडी अगेंस्ट एनी फ्यूचर अटैक बाय डिसीज जर्म, है ना. और वही जो वैक्सीन इंजेक्ट की है वही इन फ्यूचर कोई डिसीज़ ना हो तो वही जो वैक्सीन इंजेक्ट की है वही हमारे शरीर में इम्यूनिटी को बनाए रखेगी, उसको हमारी बॉडी को गार्ड करेगी, हेल्प करेगी किसी भी डिसीज से लड़ने के लिए. देन द बॉडी इज सेड टू हैव डेवलप्ड इम्यूनिटी अगेंस्ट द diseases. So we must get ourselves vaccinated as protection against these diseases. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि वैक्सीनेशन होना चाहिए, टाइमली आप वैक्सीनेशन करवाना चाहिए. Then next topic is non-communicable diseases. Page number 27. Now, what do you mean by non-communicable diseases? The diseases that do not spread from one person to another, nor are they caused by germs, are called non-communicable diseases. So underline this line in your book. The diseases that do not spread from one person to another, nor they are caused by germs, are called non-communicable diseases. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज का मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसे डिसीज जो एक से दूसरे व्यक्ति को नहीं होते हैं, नहीं किसी जर्म्स के द्वारा होता है. ऐसे डिसीजेस को क्या कहा जाता है? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस. मीन्स द डिसीज दैट डू नॉट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर, नॉर दे आर कॉज्ड बाय जर्म्स, आर कॉल्ड नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. Okay, they are caused due to deficiency of a particular nutrient in our diet. Pay attention in your book. They are caused due to deficiency of a particular nutrient in our diet. That is why they are also called deficiency diseases. Means they are caused mainly by due to deficiency of any particular nutrient in our diet. So they are known as deficiency diseases. है ना? Communicable diseases are also known as deficiency diseases. Communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of any nutrient in our diet. है ना? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस कैसे हो सकते हैं? किसी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी के कारण नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस होते हैं. अब आपको न्यूट्रिएंट्स के नाम तो मालूम है. कौन कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट होते हैं हमने पहले पढ़े हैं. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. ओके. जब इनकी कमी होगी, है ना, जब इनकी कमी हमारी बॉडी में होगी तो हमें कौन से डिसीजेस हो सकते हैं? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. मीन्स नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस आर कॉज्ड ड्यू टू डिफिशियंसी ऑफ एनी न्यूट्रिएंट इन आवर diet is known as non-communicable diseases, and it is also known as non-communicable disease is also known as deficiency diseases. Okay, नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज को डिफिशियंसी डिसीज भी कहा जाता है ना. नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिफिशियंसी डिसीजेस. We can prevent this disease by taking sufficient quantity of all the nutrients. Some of the non-communicable diseases are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter and anemia. Okay, how can we prevent non-communicable disease? By taking sufficient quantity of all nutrients in our diet. Okay, all of you understood what do you mean by non-communicable diseases? Non-communicable diseases means the diseases that do not spread from one person to another, nor caused by any germs, are known as non-communicable diseases. Now, non-communicable disease is also known as deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases means there is a lack of any nutrient in our diet. Okay, how can we prevent it? By taking sufficient amount of all nutrient in our diet. अगर हम sufficient nutrient proper amount में हम हर nutrient को लेंगे तो हमें non communicable diseases नहीं होंगे. ठीक है. So हम कैसे बच सकते हैं? By taking sufficient nutrient in our diet. Now we will talk about diseases of non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable First one, night blindness. Okay, first we will read from night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, it is caused due to deficiency of, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Dear student, no need to write anything, just listen and understand. Okay? आपको कुछ नहीं लिखना है, आपको सिर्फ समझना है. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस किस के द्वारा होता है? ड्यू टू डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए. अगर हम हमारे डाइट में प्रॉपर विटामिन ए नहीं ले रहे हैं तो हमें कौन सा डिसीज होगा? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. द अफेक्टेड पर्सन कैन नॉट सी प्रॉपरली इन डीम लाइट और डार्क. अब नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होगा उस पर्सन को, तो वो क्या होगा, उसको क्या अफेक्ट हो रहा है उसकी बॉडी में? उसको प्रॉपर दिखाई नहीं देगा डीम लाइट में या डार्क लाइट में. इट कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड और क्योर्ड बाय टेकिंग अ डाइट रिच इन विटामिन ए. अब इसको कैसे हम प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम उसको में सुधार कर सकते हैं? बाय टेकिंग डाइट रिच इन विटामिन ए. कैरेट, पपाया, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल, मिल्क, बटर, cheese and fish etc. are the good source of vitamin A. How can we cure night blindness? By taking diet rich in, by taking diet rich in vitamin A. Okay. It is a cure. It is the cause. Okay. Symptoms. Symptoms means लक्षण. उसमें क्या लक्षण दिखाई देंगे अगर किसी को नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस हो रहा है? The person cannot see properly in dim light or dark. Understand? First you have to pay attention. There are 3 points. First one is cause, second one is cure and third one is symptoms. Cause means किस कारण से होता है, ठीक है. देन क्योर, हम उसको कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. देन सिम्टम्स, उसमें क्या लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं. ये 3 पॉइंट्स हमें ध्यान रखना है. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस इज कॉज ड्यू टू डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए. विटामिन ए की कमी जब होगी तो हमें नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होगा. देन कैसे क्योर कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम उससे बच सकते हैं? बाय टेकिंग डाइट रिच इन विटामिन ए. हम हमारी डाइट में विटामिन ए की मात्रा बढ़ाएंगे तो हम नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस से सफ़र नहीं करेंगे. Then symptoms. What are the symptoms? The person cannot see properly in dim light or dark light. Now sources of vitamin A. Which food contains? Vitamin A किस किस में होता है? Sources of vitamin A. Papaya, milk, cheese. Okay. Carrot, etc. Okay. Once again, I am revising what is cause of night blindness due to deficiency of vitamin A. What are the symptoms? The person cannot see properly in dim light or dark light. Then how can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin A. Sources of vitamin A: papaya, milk, cheese, carrot. Okay. Second one, berry. Now first is cause, किसके कारण होता है. Second point is symptoms, and third point is cure. Now first we will read from book. Second one is berry. Pay attention in your book. Page number 27. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. The person gets lethargic and pale. The skin becomes dry and scaly. It also affects the nervous system and muscles. He or she doesn't feel like eating and get weaker. Vitamin B is present in unpolished rice, milk, meat, peas, cereals and green vegetables, etc. Such food item must be included in the diet to remove such a deficiency. Okay. First, it is beriberi is caused. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Okay, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B in our body. Then what are the symptoms? क्या लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं अगर किसी को beriberi disease होता है तो? The person get lethargic, जल्दी थक जाता है ना? And pale, the skin become dry and scaly. The person get lethargic. Lethargic मतलब बहुत जल्दी ही थक जाता है. And pale, स्किन कैसी हो जाएगी? Dry and scaly. Dry and scaly. Okay, स्किन सूखी रुकी नजर आएगी. Then vitamin B. How can we cure beriberi disease? By taking diet rich in vitamin B. Okay. What are the sources of vitamin B? Examples like rice, unpolished rice, milk, peas, cereals are the sources, good source of vitamin B. Okay, 3 points you have to remember in beriberi. First one is cause. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Okay, I will ask vitamin B. विटामिन बी से कौन सा डिसीज होता है तो आपको उल्टा भी याद रखना है. beriberi डिसीज, ऐसा नहीं है कि डायरेक्ट beriberi दिया है तो आपको याद नहीं है. आपको ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए कि विच डिसीज इज कॉज ड्यू टू विटामिन बी. ओके, सो विच डिसीज? beriberi. Second, what are the symptoms? The person get lethargy and pale and skin become dry and scaly. Now cure by taking diet rich in vitamin B. Next disease is scurvy. What is the name of this disease? Scurvy. Okay. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. It results in bleeding gums and swelling of joints. है ना, आप कभी कभी आप देखते हैं आपके मसूड़ों में से खून आता है या फिर आपके जॉइंट्स में सूजन आने लग जाती है. क्यों? ड्यू टू डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruits like lemon, amla and orange etc. Such food item must be included in the diet to remove such a deficiency. So scurvy disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. And vitamin C is a good source to build immunity against any diseases. So we have to take diet rich in vitamin C. Okay. First point is, what is the first point? Cause. Okay. How it is caused? It is caused due to deficiency of. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Okay. Second, symptoms. Symptoms means क्या लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं? Bleeding gums. Okay. Bleeding gums and swelling in joints. What is the meaning of swelling? Swelling means सूजन. Okay. Then third point is cure. How can we cure? By taking diet rich in vitamin C. By taking diet rich in vitamin C. Now what are the sources of vitamin C? Sources means हमें किससे विटामिन सी मिलता है? कौन से फ्रूट खाने से हमें विटामिन सी मिलेगा? जो भी जितने भी सिट्रस फ्रूट है खट्टे है ना, उसमें गुड क्वांटिटी में विटामिन सी पाया जाता है. सो ऑल सिट्रस फ्रूट sources of vitamin C, citrus fruit like mango, amla, lemon. Okay. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Symptoms: bleeding gums and swelling in joints. How can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin C. And vitamin C, sources of vitamin C are citrus fruit, mango, lemon, amla. All this fruit contains vitamin C. Okay, today once again in short we are revising those topics which have done today only. First one is about vaccination. You have to learn what is vaccination. Okay, vaccination is the way of protecting ourselves by acquiring immunity against any certain diseases. Okay, this term we have read. Then non-communicable diseases. In short, again I am revising what we have done today. Okay. Non-communicable disease means the disease that do not spread from one person to another or caused by any germs. These are known as non-communicable diseases. It is also known as deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases भी कहा जाता है. Okay. Non-communicable diseases is also known as deficiency. Is also known as deficiency diseases. Okay. Non-communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of any nutrient in our diet. It is caused due to deficiency of any nutrient in our diet. Okay. Then we have read about night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. What are the symptoms of night blindness? The person cannot see properly in dim light or dark light. How can we cure it? By taking diet rich in vitamin A. Okay, we can cure night blindness. Sources of vitamin A: milk, butter, cheese, papaya. Okay. Next one, we have read about berry. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Okay, it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Then symptoms of beriberi. What are the symptoms? The person get lethargic and feel weak. Okay, the skin become dry and scaly. Now how can we cure beriberi? By taking diet rich in vitamin B. Example like meat, milk, peas, cereals, etc. Third one, scurvy. Okay,